Hi y'all, you are welcome back to Sweet Pots and Bakes. We are making a very simple curry chickpea sauce recipe today. This is inspired by an Indian cuisine. So the cook time is just within 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. Right, already to my saucepan I've added my oil which has warmed up. So I've added the chopped onions, which I'm going to allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes in my oil. Then add my grated garlic and ginger to the onions to fry for additional 2 minutes. Right away, I will go ahead and add my spices to fry with the ginger, garlic, and onions. So with this recipe, I'm using curry powder, turmeric powder, cumin, ground coriander, and red bell peppers. I will leave the list of spices that I used in the description box or the caption, so do look out for that. I'm going to allow this to cook for additional 1 minute and then add my rinsed chickpeas. So this is a canned chickpeas which has been drained and rinsed. So I've added that to the already frying onion sauce, and I'm going to allow this to cook for additional 2 minutes. Then introduce my tomato, that is the blended tomatoes, and my coconut milk. Now with this tomato, I did add a bit of habanero pepper for my African palate. I just needed a bit of heat. You can omit the habanero pepper entirely, but I wanted to add that. So to which I've also added my coconut milk, which I'm going to cover and allow to simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm just going to wash a handful of spinach and add that to my sauce. With regards to the spinach, you can alternate it with cilantro or coriander. It's entirely up to you. Then I will add my last seasoning or spice, which is Garam Masala. You know, that is going to help us to get the Indian taste of flavor. So I've just added the Garam Masala to my sauce, to which I'm just going to allow that to cook for 2 additional minutes and our sauce will be ready. So I've also added salt for taste. And I'm going to pair this sauce with saffron rice. I've already added the link to that video, so you can watch how I made my saffron rice. It's quite easy and straightforward as well. So do let me know if you try this recipe and whether you enjoyed it. If you have watched this video till this point, I'll kindly ask you to subscribe, follow on Facebook, Instagram, on TikTok. Make sure you are commenting, you are liking, and you are sharing. Thank you so much for being a great support to this journey, and God bless you. Do have a lovely week. Bye.